Ciao a tutti e bentornati sul mio canale YouTube, sono Bukola. Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. My name is Bukola. In today's video, I will be showing you an easy tutorial on how you can apply for your Reddito Di Emergenza online. This tutorial is so simple, just follow the steps I'm going to show you in this video. But before I continue this video, if you have not subscribed to my channel, kindly do so by supporting this channel. Sit back and watch the tutorial. The first step to applying for your Reddito Di Emergenza 2021 is by going to the INPS website. That is where we'll be doing the tutorial. Right now, I will be logging with my SPID credentials. If you don't have a SPID, if you don't have your SPID account yet, you can check in one of my videos. I've already done a video about how you can create a SPID. You can check my description area for the video. So now that I'm logged in the search area, I'll go ahead to type Reddito, and as you can see, it's giving me a suggestion already. So Reddito Di Emergenza, you click on it. I mean this one with servizio. So after clicking it, it's going to bring us to this home page. So apply for your emergency income. You click on Gestione Domanda right here. Then click Acquisizione. You can see Nuova Domanda right here, which means new application. Click on Continua to fill in your details. So it's automatically filled in my name, gender, date of birth, and country of birth because of my SPID. So I don't need to do that. All I have to do now is to fill in my place of birth. Is it Benin? Is it Lagos, Delta State, Ibadan, Accra, Kumasi? Type it in here. And your citizenship as well. But if you have dual citizenship, you just have to put one. Then your address, comune di residenza, that's your commune, and your cap. If the place you want to receive information from is different from your address, you can put it here. If not, just leave it as it is. Here you had your phone number and your email address. If you are presenting this application for someone else, maybe the person is not capable to do this on his own for some reasons, you can do this. You click here, but mind you, you must be a legal representative. You can't just fill it for anybody. You must be a legal representative if you're clicking this. So when I'm done, I click on Continua. Right here, you declare that everything you stated here is true. You're residing in Italy, your ISA is valid, is inferior to this certain amount, that all the requirements that you stated here, that all the requirements here, you declare that you have everything and that you have all the requirements and etc. So you click on it if it applies to you. Here you have to click only if it applies to you. If you have anyone in your nuclear family that is also present in your DZU, a family member who is in detention and in prison, you know, something like that. If you have a minor, you click here. If it's an adult, you click here, and you also put the number. If it's one person, one. If there are two, you put two. And if there are none, you don't have to click anything. Do not click here if it doesn't apply to you. And here you're stating that there are members of your family that are hospitalized in long-term care institutions or in other residential structures under the total responsibility of the state or other public administrations. Okay, so you do the same, but don't click here if it does not apply to you. I am not going to click here. Okay, so right now you go ahead to choose how you want them to pay you. So I'm going to go for bonifico bancario or postale. So you click it if you have even if you have a posta pay, you have any a bank account. So you just go ahead to click the one that you have. You know that if you have posta pay evolution, it has an IBAN, so you can go look for the IBAN and put it there. If you have a bank account that you're using, you go ahead to put your IBAN. So when you're done with that, you click on continua. In this part, by clicking here, you are declaring that you are aware of all the details we've presented here and that they are correct, that you have a valid diesel, etc. So I just go ahead and click it. Now we are done with our Domanda. If you want to save this without confirming it, you can click Salva Bots. And if you want, you can take it to your patronato to control everything that you have filled, just to control it. And if not, you can just go ahead to click Conferma, because it's very easy. This Domanda, this application is very easy, and as I've shown you here, it is well detailed. And if you have questions, you can ask me in the comment section. So you can choose to save and take it to your patronato, or click Conferma, meaning that you want to confirm your Domanda, your application. So I will go ahead to click Conferma. Now it's showing me esito positivo, that my application that for my emergency income is successful, that I have applied for it successfully, and that now I have to wait for it to be processed. So I have to wait for some time before they process my application. And here you can download the file of your application by clicking right here, as you can see me do. So here it's showing you everything that has been filled. You can save it on your computer or phone. And we've come to the end of this tutorial. Thank you so much for watching. If you have questions, you can leave them in the comment section. Subscribe to this channel, please. I do a lot on this channel. I do vlogs showing my life as a Nigerian living in Italy. I share tutorials, especially for we immigrants living in Italy. Okay, like this video, share it with your family and friends, and I will see you in my next upload. Thank you for watching. Bye bye. Ciao, alla prossima. You got me running, got me running, got me running. Shake it, shake it, shake it.